Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times before, although it's been a while since the last time I did it, but the last time I did it, that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and definitely some updates here need to be done. In fact, the movement has been so bullish, in fact, that I'm going to go ahead and just delete both these lines out. If you're sure they both still pertain to the chart, but as far as being relevant right now, they're not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. So in the newest areas of resistance, and essentially kind of what's been stubborn over the past day-ish or so, is right up here at, I'm trying to eyeball it, but it looks like 95 cents. Yeah, right up there at 95 cents. You can see this morning, the bulls tried several times to get up through there and couldn't quite do it. So 95 cents is going to be that initial area of resistance going forward in terms of, the bulls continuing to make the progress that they've been doing a great job of over the past several days. In terms of areas of support, first level is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 83 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 83, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture perspective, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, in terms of gauging whether or not the bulls are in full health or not, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if the price would stay above 83 cents, that would definitely be preferable. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above 83 cents, then the bulls 100% own the chart. So the trend is strong, and as long as the price stays above that purple line, then yeah, the bulls are just going to continue to keep taking care of business. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.